Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. A quick intro. I am here to help you win. Now, and of course, the ideas I share, the strategies I share, you probably have 1,000 different alternatives to it, right? And you probably have better solutions than I'm suggesting. Regardless, you don't have my results. And if you do, congratulations. If you did it in a different way, congratulations equally. But if you don't, you probably need to put your head down and listen to what I have to say, right? This is meticulously recorded progress that I was doing because I knew I will attract you at some point, and you will need as much advantage as I have enjoyed building this. Are you getting it? So get down to business, drive yourself through it, learn, and learn. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm always open for questions. You can email me or reach out to me on any of the contacts I'll put on the screen. I have your best interest. I hope that you work with me so we can make this world better. Thank you. Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. Now, before we dive into any other thing for going forward, let me talk about this particular topic in my curriculum. Personal journal will help you a lot. Some of you will never really have anybody who's keeping you accountable. There are no targets in PosterMyWall. PosterMyWall has basically gotten out of your way. It does not intend to impose anything on you. It does not have, you must post this or your account is banned. It is not in your way at all. It has all kinds of categories, so it's not specifically saying that you must only do this or that. That also means you have no formal system of accountability. And for many people, they are not self-propelled. They have to be patted on the back, they have to be talked to, they have to be motivated. In fact, somebody needs to sell the vision to them, all and all. Get a book. For me, I wrote once a month because in the beginning I felt writing a journal was so girl-like. It is not a masculine activity, right? Didn't even feel like what a man. Just taking note and writing your feelings. Just felt so girlish. So in the beginning, I was writing only once a month. I didn't want to, but I did. And thank God I did. Because it helped me have a better picture of what was happening at what point and have a deep appreciation for my journey. I get in it. So get a book and write. Can write daily. Can write weekly. Can write monthly. Can write every time you are in a tough place. But write. Put date. Put time on the top. I get in it and write. Write. Look at that. I think let me read from. I think it was 22nd of May. By May, it was already like the 5th month and of my journey, and I wrote, I am completely demotivated. And it is not this work but my whole world that I can't seem to persuade to give me enough belief, patience, and all so I can make this project work. I'm writing this because maybe I quit or I come through. But at this point, I'm at 155 designs. Mind you, as I'm doing this now, I'm over 500 designs. But at 155, I was dead on tired. I was demotivated. And it wasn't even the platform. And I'm seeing everybody complain on the platform on sales. It was the rest of my world. I'm telling you. Right. Journal everything. I still come back to these things and I laugh and I smile. I'm like, really? You would have quitted For what fun? Are you getting it? Right. To help you see what's going on in your mind, help you know what books to read next, what things to listen. When I wrote like this, I knew exactly what my prayer point was going to be the next month. Are you getting it? I knew what I was going to continue asking God. Don't let me quit. Please don't let me quit. I just knew what I was going to continue asking my God. I just knew what books I was going to read and what messages I was going to listen to and what YouTube videos to watch. Like, you know, most people, when they're not getting more results, they blame one verticals, right? They say they're designing, so they go and start watching design tutorials. If you journal, you will see where problems are coming from. If you actually write what is going on, how you are feeling, what happened, your own side of the story, are you getting it? You will know exactly where the problems are coming from. You will know if it is external pressure and what to cut off. You will know if it is a friend that is coming close now that is causing this tension. You will know if it is somebody that is talking you down that is causing this whole thing. You will know and you'll be able to distance yourself from whatever, however, just to win. And as I wrote, I knew exactly what to pay attention to. You get? In the beginning, I'm very friendly somebody, I attract people to me. But, oh my God, when friends come, I just couldn't meet my goals for the day. I found myself, because ignoring them to do design all day, I'm not talking to them, was so awkward. Are you getting it? But I was angry with myself, I was not meeting my target. So when I journaled, it became obvious that it was because I was having company that I should have found a way not to have. What did I do? I started giving them massive excuse. Once you call me and tell me you're coming, I'll tell you that I'm not around. I said all kinds of things. Why? Because, I mean, if I could not afford to tell you, no, don't come, I'm busy. I mean, like I'm busy. To people, like, that was friendship I didn't want to lose either, because I'm busy is a lot of insult. I get it. But journal, that's what I'm trying to say. Maybe you figure out a better way to do it than I did in the beginning, right? Maybe you figure out a better way to say it, say what you need to say to whoever you need to say it. I couldn't figure it until later. But in the beginning, I just had to say what I had to say. Right, but it was important. My journal showed me where my weaknesses were. When I wasn't meeting my goal and I had to write a journal, I had to write what is going on, I immediately saw where the problem is. You wouldn't see it you wouldn't just see it by intuition alone. You wouldn't just see it by because most problems are not that obvious. Just journal first. When you go back to read it, you will say, so this is where the problem is coming from. Are you getting it? So you see, I wrote in that one I was reading just now, I said, I will mentally restart these numbers because wanting to move it, push it to 300 is becoming harder than taking it from 0 to 155. So I knew that the mental approach I was using to increase the store, like I was trying to move my store from 155 to 300, it was not working. It was feeling like impossible task. So what was I going to do? I stopped trying to move it from 155 to 300. I started trying to move it from 0 to 155 again. So I stopped looking at the total number of 155. I started just looking at it as I've started afresh again. So I created a checkbox in the next page, and I said for the month of this I'm targeting 24 designs, and I was ticking it. So you see, that's how to win. Are you getting it? That's how to win. Journal. Make sure you are journaling. If you stop journaling, you stop seeing these problems you're having. They are not always obvious. They are not technical issues. It's not graphic design a lot of time. Sometimes something happened and you are being frustrated and you are being angry, but you can't remember what happened. So you are just channeling that anger to your designing. If you journal, you will see what happened. This is technologies that are getting me to win. Okay. Journal. Not going to read any of my all of my journals. They were at some point I started using voice note to do the journal. Like I just record the voice, I just on a record and just talk. And I'll post one of the talks. I was in one of the talks, you could see I was visibly in pain. You know, when I'm reading this journal from the book, from books, you don't even see how painful, how much pain I was feeling, or what was the challenge. But if I post any of the audio recording I did of my journal, you will feel my pain. You will see that the day I was doing that journal, I was like it was over. Like if you came the next day to see me still walking, you will not even believe it. You would think it's a dream. You would think like, how are you getting it? Like, how did this guy that I had stuck like this the day before come to start work the next day? Journal. Use journal to blow steam off, right? Some frustrations you're having with the platform, with your designing, with your speed, with your goal, with your mission. Just journal. You will blow steams off. That anger that you're bottling in will leave. Journal. Nobody taught me these things I'm teaching you. You get? But journal. It will do wonders for you. I can go on and on why you should journal. Nothing speaks for itself like journaling. Because once you start journaling, you will see what I'm saying. You'll be very grateful for it. Journal. Because all these ones, people are going to the community and they're posting all the rubbish that they are posting because they are not journaling. Are you getting it? Journal so you can see the problems. Okay?